Hello. So we are interested in how to get an input from, say, the user's keyboard. Okay. This is something we saw earlier using getChar, where you used to take, which can be used to take one letter. But now I want more. Can I have a function which can be used to get, let's say, integer, strings, etc. So for that we are going to use scanf. So imagine this. Let's say we want a string, right? A string is basically a character array. We want that to be, so the scanf has to get a string, a character array from the user and give it back to us, right? Give it to the, in our program. So how can I do that? First thing you need to notice is that if I want to get a string, I need to give an array, right? I need to first allocate memory to give me the string. Now it can be used in two ways. I could have dynamically allocated using malloc, memory alloc, or I could have used static allocation using arrays. So let's first create an array. Right? I created an array of 50 characters. Now I want to pass this thing to scanf, and scanf is going to take that array. So this array in memory will be like this, right? And the scanf is going to take this thing and it's going to fill letters into this array after taking it from the user. How do I write the scanf function? Okay. So this I pass to scanf the array AR, and I also tell the scanf that it's a string which I am interested in by saying %s. So when it sees %s, scanf knows that okay, I have to get a string from the user. Right. Now what if I wanted an integer? I want an integer from the user. Right. So integer will have another memory location here. X is assigned. I have created an X and there is memory allocated to X. 4 bytes here, let's assume. Now I am going to call scanf. First I have to tell scanf what type of input am I looking for. Earlier we said %s for string, and now I am going to say %d for int, right? And this time, since I want the number to be filled here in this location, I have to pass it the address of X. We saw that if you pass the address of X, the scanf function uses a pointer, gets that location address, and it basically fills the number here, right? Okay. So this is for an integer, and if you wanted a float, you could have written and then used and pass the address of the float. Thank you.